Coming back from the pandemic was the hardest thing to do. Seeing my opio and my wahine and my kupuna on stage, just bright smiles, just beautiful, just so happy to be back in person, dancing for an audience and dancing for the community and dancing for us. Yeah, and just enjoyed it. I just really had a great time preparing for this one because we knew that people would love music because we haven't heard Hawaiian music yet in a long time. And so this was going to be our opportunity to bring out all our old songs and share it with all of you. I began dancing for my auntie at 3 years old. And at 4 years old, I made my debut as a soloist, crying everything on stage, the whole bit. Began to work with her and help her to teach at 7, 8 years old, dancing in front of the class. Then eventually helping her to teach. And then in 1982, she said, or maybe it was in the late 70s, she said, go make your own. Time for you to make your own halau, which is when I went out on my own. Although I stayed very close to my auntie, we taught at the same school campus, which is Monana Elementary School. We've been there since 1982. And we went everywhere together. Every show that we did, Nani or Lilinoe and Joan S. Lindsey Hula Studio went together and performed. So this went throughout my whole life until Auntie passed away. And now her students are with me, and we continue the Joan S. Lindsey Hula Studio legacy.